Hello everyone and welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel. My name is Buddhi Vishwas and I am your SAP HCM trainer. So let's start our new topic, personal areas and personal sub areas, and how to assign personal areas to the company code, how to assign and how to link with personal sub areas to the personal areas. All these questions, all these topics we have discussed one by one. Okay, so personal areas and personal sub areas are the component of enterprise structure. Okay, in enterprise structure we discuss company code, assign company code to the company. Okay, now we have discussed personal areas. Okay, so what is personal areas? So personal areas is a geographical location where company operates its business. Okay, means personal areas is basically a geographical location where the company is actually situated. Through that location, company run all the business, or it's operate all its business. Okay, what are the functions, what are the things from the that location company run whole business. Okay, it is a hub division of company code. It is used for administrative control and is assigned to employees in their organizational assignment. Personal areas is 4-digit alphanumeric code. Alphanumeric code means it's maybe integer, it's maybe numbers, it may be a combination of both integers and numbers. Okay, numbers means alphabet or numbers. Example, for example, suppose ABC is a company, huh? And ABC, let's suppose ABC company in India. Okay, and in India, in India there are different states. So like in different state, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, or so on. So why we take different states, not take a particular state? Because we taking personal area as a state, because every state has different holiday calendars. Because when in India, every state have some different culture, different way of celebrating the fun. So according to that, holidays are be declared to the employees. Okay, every state had different professional tax slabs. Every state had different labor welfare fund contribution frequency and period is different. Means according to the, that means maybe Pongal in another in different month, Holi in different month, and Janmashtami, Deepavali, Dashera. There are different festivals are celebrating according to their festivals, according to the uh, other celebration. Different dates are coming, so according to different dates, different states, according to that, like Muslim use Muslim celebrate Eid ul Fitr, Eid ul Jah. So according to that also be defined how to celebrate and when to celebrate. Okay, so that's all are also corporate society when they will provide leave to the employees. So according to holiday calendar are set up on different state. Okay, so that's why different state I have selected. Okay, so how to create what are the steps, how to create personal areas. Okay, so one by one we have create personal areas. Okay, so I create 4 personal areas and assign this personal area to the company code. Okay, so let's SPRO is our transaction code. To enter SPRO, select SAP reference IMG. Here we have done all the implementation process. Okay, so now we select enterprise structure. Now we select definition. Now we select human resource management. Here you see personal areas. Click on personal areas. Select personal areas. Okay, now here you see there are different type of personal areas. Okay, different type of personal areas. They are already built by different employees or different person. Okay, so now we create our own new personal areas. Click on new entries. Okay, now select. So we have select 35 35 Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore. सो TCS बेंगलुरु, ठीक है, we have select TCS बेंगलुरु, ठीक. Now house number, whatever house number, house number we select 56, we enter the same details according to what we have entered in our, because Bangalore is our head office, so we have what, when we defined our company code, during that what the details we have entered, that same detail we also put on the headquarter. Okay, so first I saw what data. Okay, click on it, date. This is the session window in SAP. We create maximum 6 session. Okay, so I think there is some trouble. Okay, no issue. Again we have enter, no issue. Okay, now X15. Okay, this is our transaction code, and company code we have defined company. Okay, company is TC56. Okay, now you see here. Okay, this is our company, TCS Private India Limited. Okay, click on it. Now you see here. Here you also all the see all the configuration. Okay, so click on expand functional transfer request. Okay, expand it. Now you see here is the view maintenance view for view. Okay, so TC56. Okay, TC56, and in TC56 we have assigned the company code. We assigned company code client number with company code 35 TC. Okay, 35 TC is our company code. So no issue. Now we have selecting TC56. Okay, TC56 IT Park 545667. Okay, now for that, now create another session. Okay, SPRO. Okay, SAP reference IMG. Okay, now define, explain definition, action human resource management. Click on personal areas. Click on personal areas. Okay, now click on new entries for creating personal areas. Okay, now our first is 35 Bangalore. Okay, TCS Bangalore. Okay, okay, now street number is 56 IT Park. 56 IT Park. Post office number is 45667 560029. City Bengaluru. Country India. So country it will not find motion. We have selecting through another way. Okay. Enter SPRO. Once again, we have faced October. No issue. Expand human resource now. Click on personal areas. Click on new entries. 35 PA TCS Bangalore. Okay. 56 IT Park and 45667 5609 Bangalore IN for India. Region is your state, okay, and country or region is India and region is your state, okay. So for Karnataka we select 10, okay. Now you see here county code and city code. These are the two fields. These fields are for the FICO consultant. FICO consultant maintain these fields. For SME for HCM consultant, there is no configuration needed or consent for SME consultant. Okay. So now, whatever you have configured, you always save it. Okay. So click on save button. Now, here you see for which for what we have configured. We have configured for a company. So select company. Now company name is TCS Bangalore. Okay. This is a search term option. Search term option is the shortcut key. Okay. So if you find your company by any shortcut key, so you it's a optional, and in I face in many projects, a real-time project, that company not give the this option. So that's why I'm not maintained, because mainly company not give the shortcut key for finding or searching the company. Okay. So that's why 56 IT Park 56, and postal code is your 456220929, city Bangalore, and country and region. Country is IN, okay. India, region is Karnataka. For Karnataka, we say 10, okay. Post office box number is your 45667 and 560029. For communication, we'll select language, because in corporate companies in India mainly English language are used. Okay. So that's why we select actually I'm select English. Okay. Now enter your mobile number or telephone number. Okay. Telephone number. Okay. No issue. First I checked. During company code we enter a mobile number, so I enter the same mobile number. Okay. What type of mobile number we have discussed? Okay, no issue. Mobile number is OX15. Okay. enter OX victim, check your mobile number, what mobile number you have entered. Okay, so search your company is your TC56, it is your company. Okay, and here you enter the details. 35 TC 35 CC, click on it. Now here you see the address option. Okay, and this is your mobile number 56, so copy it and paste. Okay, now click on save button. You maintain address, click on address. Okay, now here company TCS Bangalore, search option 56 IT Park 56, postal code is your 560029, city is Bangalore, company country code for India is IN. Okay, IN. Okay, now state is a Karnataka. For Karnataka, yeah, 10 we have selected. For PO box we enter the code. Okay, so for PO box we enter the code is 45667. Okay, so no issue. 45667 and 560029, and mobile number is your control V. Okay, enter. Now there are many other communications option like fax, email, mobile telephone, pager services, printing, remote mail, and secure store telephone, telex. Okay, teletext, URL, export. There are lots of options. Okay, according to your need, you select, and according to client demand, you configure for the client. Okay, now for email address, okay, enter a email contact at the rate tcs.co.in. Okay, so this is the email address for the TCS, and this is mobile number. So all the detailed configuration for the Bangalore we have configured. Okay, now click on continue. Now you save the data. Okay, now you say the data was now you see the data was saved. Okay, and here you also click on it. So this way your headquarter data we have configured. Okay, now we create or we have configured another personal areas other than headquarter. Okay, okay, SC09. Okay, I show what I have configured. Okay, So expand functional tr. Okay, now you see here in this table, you see 35 BU for Bangalore you have configured. So you also click on SPRO. Okay, SPRO for another personal area configuration. We have selected definition. Okay, assignment. So select definition, select human resource, click on personal areas. Okay, go to the second option, personal areas. Okay, now here you see that 35 BA Bangalore. Okay, for creating new personal areas, click on new entries. Now here it is for next entry, means whenever you complete one personal area, then you click on new entries, another personal area is you have created on the same screen. Okay, that time your transport request is not generated. I will show you. Okay, now the now 35 we have select another personal area for Mumbai. Okay, so Mumbai, so TCS Mumbai we have select. Okay, now click on street and house number. So house number is 66. Okay, 66 Knowledge Park. Okay, Knowledge Park. Now PO box is your PO box is 39876. Okay, 5, and pin code, let's suppose 98. Okay, and country, city. So city is our bank Mumbai. Okay, and country IN, region is, region means state. Okay, so region or location. Okay, so state is Maharashtra, MH. Okay, Maharashtra. Now county code and city code, these are the two options for the for our FICO consultant. So this is not our part, so click on save button. Now here you select your company name is TCS Mumbai. This option is optional. Okay, now 66 Knowledge Park. Knowledge Park 66 is your number, and pin code is 654398. Okay, 98. City Mumbai we have selected. Now country India, for India IN is the country code. Okay, now region is for Mumbai to MH. Maharashtra we have selected. Okay, now PO code is 39875. This is your post office works code. Okay, now pin code or postal code. Pin code or postal code 654398. 654398. Okay, for communication language, we have selected in India English is most popular language in corporate. Now telephone number, let's suppose 8654342. Okay, now this is your telephone number. Email address is contact @tcs.co.in. Okay, now there are many other communications option. Okay, so according to the client or company need, you assign or you configure. Okay, now for Mumbai location we configure all the details. Okay, now click on continue. It's first time it show. Now it is show where you your transport request is so functional transport request we have created. So continue. Now data was saved, status was show here. Okay, now click on next entry. If you want to create more personal areas, to click on next entries. So now 35 for Mumbai that time. Now this time we have selected Delhi. Okay, for Delhi, TCS Delhi. For Delhi, we have select state number. State number is 86, 86, Lakshmi Nagar, Lakshmi Nagar. Okay. Post office is 54895. Okay. 7856432. So 788 542. Now city is our Delhi, country India, and region Karnataka. Okay. Now county code and city code is for FICO consultant. Okay. Now click on save button and address option, detail address option is, or pop-up screen is show you. Okay. Now TCS Delhi, this is optional. Okay. Now 86 Lakshmi Nagar, 86, postal code is here 788542, 54894, 54894. Country is your IN. Okay, no issue. We have again login into it. Okay. Sometimes this type of trouble we have faced. No issue. It's not frequently in regular basis. It is one or two, maybe. Maybe this is a technical problem or this is a maintenance time, so that's why this thing happen. Okay, so no issue. In demo server we face this type of things. Okay? But in real time we don't face anything. Okay. Now click on new and trace. Now 35 Delhi, TCS Delhi. Now street and house number. Street is your 86 Lakshmi Nagar. Pin code is your 54 54894. Give me 1 minute. I connect my laptop with charger. The charger. Okay. Now postal code is 78542. Okay. And city Delhi, country IN. Now region also Delhi. Now these two options for these two fields are for FICO consultant, so this is not our part. Company name of the company is TCS Delhi. Okay. Now state or house number is your 86 Lakshmi Nagar, Lakshmi Nagar, Lakshmi Nagar. I select random and according to my need. Okay, I have only there the IT companies are famous on that region, so according to that I have selected that region or personal area. Okay, you also select when you practice according to your need, according to your Suggestion according to your need you can create. Okay, where you want to. This is only practice purpose. Okay, not real time. Real time company give all the details about how where we have created all the things. Okay, now 788542. Okay, and Delhi is your city. Delhi is your city. Okay, Delhi is your city. Okay, Delhi. Okay, no issue. Now country is India, and for Delhi. Okay, Delhi. Okay, now PO box, post office box number is your 894. Okay, 54894, and postal code is your 788542. For communication English, telephone number is your 805420973. Now mobile, email address is your contact @tcs.co.in. Okay, now you enter detailed configuration of the personal areas. Okay, now click on continue. Here you saw. Okay, now click on next entry. Now another entry 35. So I let's suppose 35. I have select for Gurgaon. Okay, so Gurgaon, so TCS Gurgaon. Okay, let's suppose 76 is your street number and IT hub. Okay, in Gurgaon IT hub, and PO box is here 484. Okay, now this is your pin code number 649253. Okay, now city is Gurgaon, India. IN for India. Region is Haryana. Okay, not show, no issue. Haryana. Okay, now 07. These two fields for FICO consultant. Now click on save. Now company name is TCS Gurgaon. Street number is your 76. IT hub 76 IT hub. Postal code here 48487. City is your Gurgaon. Okay, now country India, and region is your Gurugram. 07 Haryana. Okay, now it is 48487. Postal code is your 649253, and phone number is 18054. Okay, 3, and the email address is contact @co.in. Okay, so this way you have configured another personal area. Okay, now save it. Click on continue. Here postal code. Okay, I mismatch. Now, oh, sorry, it's my fault. I'm enter post office box number, but postal code is your pin code. Okay, so sorry, it's my fault. 9453. Okay, now it's correct and enter. Okay, all details are correct. Okay, at the rate TCS. Okay, no issue. Sometimes it may be happen. No. Okay, now data was saved. This time you not see the transport request because when you click on next entry it is already the same transport request window. Okay, it is defined by SAP. Okay, now this way your data is saved. Now come back and you see here, go to sorry, this one not 35 for Bengaluru, DL, Gurgaon and Mumbai. Now you see all the four personal areas. Okay, now come back and assign these personal areas to the company code. Okay, so how to assign? So expand assignment option. Okay, here you see assignment of personal areas to the company code. So why we assign personal areas to the company code? So I have some theory about it. Okay, so we define location in different location means personal areas in different window and company code in different window, as I told you. Okay, so required a link between them. If you make communication between them, means in company code all the transaction or the financial things we have considered in company code. So how, and also in a particular location, how this configuration how be to done. Okay, so that record we make a communication. So for make a communication we required a link between them. Okay, so because without link between them as we will not aware about it, so assignment is required. Okay, so that's why we required a assignment of personal area to the company code. So now click on it. Here you see personal areas to the company code. Now your company code is 35. This is your company code. Now you enter your company code. Okay, so select your company code. If you not remember your company code, then select your company code. So your company code is TC. Okay, here all the options are not shown, so no issue. So you click on position. So your company code is 35 TC. Okay, yeah, yes, this is your company code. You select the company code 35 TC. Okay, now here also you select 35 TC. It is not 35 TC. Okay, okay, now here you see 35 TC. TC is private Indian. This is your selected. Click on continue. Okay, I think there is some problem. So no issue. So 35 TC. Click on F for help. Now go drop down. Select drop down and find your here U35, this is your company code, select it. Okay, now you manually also enter the company code and select the company code 35 TC 35 TC. Okay, and here you see another option, HCM localization. It's also called means country grouping. For every country we have a unique number. So how this numbers assigned to the country according to the SAP launch date, means when SAP launched to the country, or when SAP launched to a company. Okay, so like Germany got one because first time SAP launch or SAP founded in Germany. That's why it is got one number. Switzerland has after Germany, Switzerland. So in Switzerland launched the SAP software, and that's why Switzerland got two number. Okay, that's according to that America, USA got 10 number, Japan got 22 number, and this way India got 40 number. So these localization will help SAP to understand for which country you are configuring. Okay, because without it, SAP don't know how to configure all the things. Okay, so when we have payroll and time management section, we are also more explain all the related to the SM localization. Okay, and also here when we configure features in SAP, that time also SAP HCM localization we have discussed. Okay, now so enter 40. I think have some trouble in server side, so wait. Okay, so now server side 40 for India. Okay, now select 40, 40, 40. Okay, India. Click enter. Now save it. Now right transport record we have selected. Click on continue. Now data was saved. Now you also see these data on your transport request window. So SC09, SC09. Okay, now here you see personal areas. Okay, here you see personal areas, and also you see you assign a company, you assign personal areas to the company code. Okay, personal areas are the sub component or subdivision of the company code. Here client number with company code. Okay, we have maintained. Now we have maintained or we have configured, personal sub areas is also a further subdivision of personal areas. It can be sub location or name of the department in the company. Before we create personal sub areas, we have to specify under the personal area what we have to create. Means we not separately create personal sub areas like personal area, because in a personal area we separately create personal, after that we assign to the company code. Okay, but here personal area its particular definition, location be defined, or be analyze that personal area is define the location. Okay, so that's why particular location we have create different departments, different branch. Okay, so that's why we have configure all the personal areas under the personal area. So that's why we not required any company code to assign personal areas. Okay, so it is used for more detailed structuring such as different department work shapes, payroll areas. Here we have done all the work. It determines validity of the work schedule, pay scale structure and legal regulation. Personal sub areas also have 4-digit alphanumeric code. Here also personal areas also have 4-digit alphanumeric code. Like in Maharashtra branch state, we have different departments: sales department, finance department, production department, so on. Okay, so that is the same way. Like here I show you in my PPT, I show you in department we don't have any assignment option because department defined under the specified location or personal areas. Okay, so this is our navigation path. SPRO is our transaction code. Okay, after SPRO, SAP reference is enterprise structure, definition, human resource management, and personal sub areas. Here you see, here you see personal sub areas. Go to create personal sub areas and select your personal sub areas. According to your personal areas, you select and create your select your personal areas. After that, you enter the personal areas this way. Okay, this way you enter the personal areas, and you are also enter the company, enter the personal sub area code. Okay, so now we have maintained all these things. Okay, and one by one according to different location or different personal sub area we defined one by one. Okay, so now go to enter SPRO transaction code, click on SAP reference IMG, and click on enterprise structure, click on definition, click on human resource. Now you see there personal sub areas, click on it. Now go with second option, create personal sub areas. Okay, now select your personal area. So your first personal area 35 Bangalore. Okay, and continue. Now you see TCS Bangalore. Okay, and if you confused, so double click on it, and here you see there are different personal, all the personal sub areas, but the people or the employees are defined. Okay, and you select your one. Your one is 35 BA TCS Bangalore. Okay, and 35 TC is your company code and 40 is your HCM localization. Okay, so now this one you select it and continue. Now define your departments in the personal sub areas. Okay, click on new entries. Now let's suppose Bangalore have two options. One is IT and second one is finance. Okay, so uh, I have first we have create company code. So company code is your Bangalore HR. So Bangalore HR. So TCS Bangalore HR. Okay, and another one is your like BAIT. Okay, BAIT, all the IT related departments. Okay? BAIT. Now these two departments we have created in Bangalore personal areas. Okay, now save it. Here the transport request, you select this correct transport request or click on continue. Okay, now data was saved and come back. Okay, now for every time you go to for, because here all the personal sub area are differentiated. Okay, because in every different location or different personal area we have create our personal, so every time we come back and select our personal area. Okay, now this time 35. Now we have choose from here. So Bangalore we have configure. Now we have configured TCS Delhi. Okay, now select it, and in TCS click on new entries, click on TCS. Now first we have TCS Delhi. Okay, so Delhi we have select IT department, and Delhi we have okay, quality management. Okay, so these two departments I have, and another department is DL finance. Okay, so TCS DL IT department, TCS DL quality management, quality management, TCS uh, DL finance. Okay, finance. So this is the Subarea text, because here you have defined the company code, and here you defined the long text. Okay, these are the two fields. Now save it and continue. Now data was saved, and you also configure, if you not if any departments, if it is closed and you want not, so you also edit it. Okay, so that option is also available. So come back again, select for that time Bengaluru and Delhi. Now we have configured Gurgaon. Okay, so in Gurgaon we have select Gurgaon HR department. In Gurgaon we have select finance department. Okay, so in Gurgaon TCS Gurgaon HR department, TCS Gurgaon finance department, finance department. Okay, so these two fields we have configured in Gurgaon. Now come back and double click on it, select. Now Mumbai is left, so click on it, continue. Now okay, actually I'm select wrong one. So now 35 Mumbai. Okay, this one I have selected. Now click on new entry, enter. So Mumbai IT. Okay, Mumbai finance. Okay, Mumbai production. Okay, so TCS Mumbai IT, TCS Mumbai finance, TCS Mumbai production. So these three departments we have configured. Save it now. Now this way we have configured, and you also okay. Now you configure all the, and now you saw all the configuration one by one. Click on it. In your transport record, all the configuration you see here. Personal Subarias. Here you see all the configuration. Okay, now here you see client number with your personal area, with your personal sub area. Okay, so this way these are all the configuration you have configured. Okay, if you want to modify any configuration, you also do that. I will show you. Okay, now go to, once again click on personal sub areas, click on create personal sub areas. Now if I select let's suppose Bangalore I have selected. Okay, click on continue. So here two departments you have already, you also delete it. According to here you delete option, you delete it. Okay, Like when you click on delete, a pop-up option means a number is entry is deleted, but it is not actually deleted. It's deleted when you confirm it, like a pop-up message is shown if your data was changed, say was changed in first, so if you not change it, so click on no option. When you click on again, now continue, both the option is you not delete it. Okay, so if you want, first after confirmation the field is deleted. If you want add a new field. Okay, so Bangalore, like production department we have selected. Okay, so TCS production, TCS uh, TCS Bangalore production. Okay, we have defined. Okay, now we save it. Now come back. Now you see HR, IT, production. These three departments are and production department add on this table. Okay, so this way we have configured all the things. Okay, so here we have end our video and you see all the configuration of personal area, personal sub areas, and all the things. Okay, I hope you understand all the things. Okay, here you also see here. I will show you here your personal area, personal sub area, and define and how to assignment of personal sub areas to the company code. Okay,